So, last time I was at the shop, my phone fucked up, so I couldn't record anymore, like I said in my last video. But last weekend, I had the truck all fucking taped off, fucking sanded down, got a fucking grease and wax remover all wiped down, ready to spray, go to mix the fucking the primer, and it's chunkier than fucking cottage cheese, for fuck's sake. So place was fucking closed, so I couldn't return it that day, so I was pretty fucking pissed off about that. But I went and got some new primer today, fucking re-wiped it down, sprayed it off, fucking cleaned it up, and go onto it. Look onto it. All primered. Yeah. I think it looks fucking super good, man. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. There's a pretty big dent here, here. No more dent. All fixed. Fucking scores. But yeah. Pretty fucking excited. Maybe be able to drive it soon. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. But that's just the cab, boys. For fuck's sakes. I still gotta fucking fix this fucking thing. Holy. But yeah. Get back to you.